Right, so today's Tuesday, start of the week, because we had a bank holiday yesterday, bank holiday Monday, so we had a quick break. They go too quick. So, plan this week is Aldi Accordo. That's sold, that's going out. I think it's Thursday this week, but you wouldn't believe it. We've checked it all off, pre-checked it, checked it again. We've reversed it into its spot, and guess what? Reversing camera's not working. You can't make it up. So John's just having a quick look at the reversing camera, see what we can do. If not, we're going to have to take it to get looked at. Also this week, what a stunner. Volkswagen, that's going out this week. That's all checked off, that's all done. That's a stunning, stunning van. I really like that Volkswagen there.
Who is it that's done that one, Joyce?
Sorry?
Who's done the conversion on that?
Was it all seasons?
All seasons,
All
yeah.
seasons have done that. Really nice van, it's got heating, it's got everything you need there. Really nice van. So, oh, Swift Select. Swift Select. No, I've got it completely wrong. We can't plan, can we, anymore? Everything's gone pear-shaped today. So the Accordo's not going out this week. I've got to just pre-check it, and that's where we found the reversing camera. It's the Swift Select that's going out on Thursday. That's bringing a part exchange in. That's all done, dusted. I will do, that's going Thursday. I'll do a pre-check on that, and then that'll go out. And then I'll quickly show you a van that we've just had in. Something a little bit different. It's an A-Class, it's a Heimer, and that's this one here, Heimer here. It's a B444, and actually Finn brought this van.
Yeah.
Look at that, A-Class. It's
Nice,
a dinky A-Class as well.
It's a small one, yeah.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
So that's just come in. We're going to get that now checked off, mechanical wise, just make sure everything's okay, and decide what bits that need to get done to before we put it up for sale properly. Let's have a quick look inside. Aye, there we go. This is a nice van, Finn.
Yeah.
Oh, that's left on there. Look at this. So just quickly show the front of the cab there, Finn. You've got the classic A-Class with the drop down bed above. Got that there. And then look at the back here, what a nice kitchen area.
A lot of prep room there.
Yeah. And the lady told you off, didn't she, when you brought it?
Yeah, I was putting all the paperwork down on the side and she was like, oh, don't do that, put the tea towel under so it doesn't scratch or anything. So she really has looked after it.
Really, really. Look at that here, we've got the fridge here. Let's just switch that fridge off as well. That's not been happy. So, nice slimline fridge. What have we got? 3 burner, hot plate, grill, oven.
Quite a small sink actually, isn't it, that?
Do you know what? It works.
Yeah, it does work.
Do we need big sinks and
really,
motorhomes? Lovely the tap, and then let's have a look inside. Look at that. Nice combined. That works as well, the combined washroom.
Yeah,
really
it's
works.
like part combined, isn't it? So you can separate it off stuff.
Right, so we'll get this checked off, get this ready for sale. So that's what we're going to be doing today. We've got the Swift, a pre-check, we've got the Aldi's, we're going to have a look at the reversing camera, and we're going to get this checked off. I'll catch up with you in a bit. Right, so we've just spotted with this windscreen, sorry, that we've got a chip in there. There's another chip there. Okay, it's not in the line of sight, but at the end of the day, people are spending a lot of money on a van, so we're going to replace the windscreen. That was quick then, wasn't it? Look how quick we changed that windscreen. There you go. Nice new windscreen. Right, move on to the next job.
Alright, Jace. Say something.
Say something.
You playing with your buttons? Hey,
Say something. Say something.
man at work. Hey, look at this. Playing with his buttons. Nice day again. Lovely day. Sun shining. Now we've got a bongo.